I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about this great gel nail polish set that I got from Beetles. I love doing an at-home manicure. I do save some money, but also it's just nice to do a little something nice for myself every couple weeks. And this set has been perfect. I love how it has such a great variety of colors, and they tend to be all in a fall theme, which is perfect for me because I'm such a fall color girl. But there's a lot of different options, so if you want to mix and match, or if you're good at nail art and you want to do designs, you can definitely do that with this set. It also comes with a white, so if you want to do an at-home French manicure, this is perfect for you. My favorite thing is the different top coat options that it comes with. It comes with both shiny and matte. I've been having a lot of fun experimenting with matte. That's kind of a new thing for me. So as you can see in this manicure that I did today, I put a little bit of both in there so you can kind of get an idea of what that'll look like. I am not a professional manicurist by any means, but I love how my nails come out when I use this product, and that is my point of view.